Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. Well, I said something about coming live to teach about sand. You see this sand right here? You can use this sand to do a lot of things. You can use this sand to seal the mouth of your enemies. You can use this sand right here to curse someone. You can use this sand to liberate yourself. You can use this sand to make things to be moving around you. So do you know that with this sand, if when somebody gets the sand of your foot, the person can hurt you, the person can tie you down? Do you know that when you get sand from your father's house and decree with this sand, after decreeing you pour it out, do you know that things will happen? Do you know that when somebody curses you or when somebody make you feel pains, like somebody took something that belongs to you, do you know that you can pack sand and speak and pour it out? Do you know that you can use sand to liberate yourself? You can get the sand of your foot with your two hands and speak that anywhere somebody has used the sand of your foot to tie you down, that today you're liberating yourself, that today that as you pour this sand, you're scattering anything they did against you. Once you pour the sand, it is scattered. Do you know that you can mix sand in water and say that whatever they did, everything they did in the west, north, south and east, get sand from four corners of the road and speak, and whatever they do, so long as that person walks on the road, that as you are pouring this sand, you're scattering it and the thing will scatter. So the power of life is on your tongue. The power to liberate yourself is on you. Everything is not something you go to I do for me, native doctor do for me, do this. There are some things you can do for yourself. There are some things you can liberate yourself by yourself. Do you know that there is a kind of sickness that you don't know where it's coming from? You can get sand. Get sand from your father's house and speak that this is the sand, the soil from your father's house, that anybody that's gone anywhere, that the sand from your father's house should fight that person. Put that sand inside a cup, get water, fill the water. You know, I always advise that you use virgin water, that's rainwater, because it's very fortified from the heavens. Put that water inside the cup and drink it. That any sickness in your body, that person that did it, so long as that person used to stand on the soil, anybody that did it, that the sand should work against that person, and you will see the sand will be working against that person. So whenever you're doing something, just do it the right way. Speak with your spirit, because you see, once you're living, once you're alive, that spirit that controls you, that spirit that the heavens assigned for you, if they're happy with you, whatever you speak will work. So you should know when to use sand to curse your enemies, when to use sand to make things not work for people that is working against you. You should know when to use sand to bless yourself. Do you know that you can use sand and get sand from the four corners of the world and speak in front of your shop? That's just as people are walking from east, north, west and south, walking on this sand that you are carrying. That is how you want people to be trooping in your shop. And once you speak and pour it, you will see that people will be coming in your shop. So learn this and know peace. I'm coming live again very soon to teach about the anti-poison stick. Very soon I'll come online to teach that. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy your day.